And the more emotional energy you bring into your words, the greater impact in your being.
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
You don't listen, do you? You just ask the same questions every week. How's your job? Are you having any negative thoughts?
This is a homage beat.
All I have are negative thoughts.
What up, what up, what up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. Talking to God. Look in the mirror. Who do you see? Well, hopefully you don't see a human. Hopefully you're not seeing a fearful person. Look at yourself closely. Stare in the mirror. There you go. God. Chaos being. When talking to God, you're talking to you. Scientists say talking to yourself improves your brain functions and your imagination. They found that you can enhance your visual system to detect an item by hearing the name of the item. Thus, when you talk out loud, you're essentially cueing your system to get ready to perform better. When you're talking to yourself, you're talking to the God or goddess within you. Talking to yourself is how you receive your spiritual answers. Pick your human up and know how to move in this matrix. Words are powerful, and words are spells. When you speak with vigor and assurance to yourself, you're moving with your heart. Think about it. Where are you speaking from? You're not consciously talking to yourself saying, I suck. I hate myself. I am such a loser. That's for the people that are dead and not knowing that they are the creators of their reality. You speak things into existence, and the more emotional energy you bring into your words, the greater impact in your being. Scream, speak with confidence. Speak to yourself with an air of knowing. Speaking to yourself is not the only God attribute you have. Some of y'all are wasting your energy and time talking, arguing with people that don't serve you. People that's not helping you grow. It's cool to have them friends that you talk to about human stuff. But when talking to haters or energy vampires, you might as well be talking to a brick wall. Or you can turn your science up and talk to your other friends, your spiritual friends, the friends that got your back.
Say hello to my little friend.
But that's another video. You're talking to God is just talking to you. You are your own therapist. Look at Esther Hicks. She created a whole new entity and she talks as if Abraham, her other self, is doing great, marvelous things. You can create this alter ego, this Superman, X-Man, if you're trying to distinguish the difference between your human and your spiritual self. But remember, your spiritual self is you, and just knowing that that's you 100% of the time is the right of a chaos being.
Message.
You killed off that old you and became something new. Talk to yourself. Let yourself hear your words out loud. Don't just do it in your head. Speak that shit out loud and clear. Dream, you are a handsome, magical being. Everything you do always works out. Boy, you funny, God. No, you ain't taking that shot of gin to get into your meditation again. I know this might sound crazy, but You want to go singing later? You know, since your throat chakra is popping, your voice is powerful and beautiful, Dream. Vibrating from the throat chakra, you're using your mouth and your ears to express yourself with ease and speak things into existence. Talk to you. Say that stuff out loud. It's okay. Talk your talk. Walk your walk. And be confident in your truth. Dream wise.
For my whole life, I didn't know if I even really existed. But I do. And people are starting to notice.